Hey, I'm Alex, and I'm originally from Canada. Currently, I'm studying computer science at the University of Toronto. I'm passionate about coding and creating software that makes a positive impact. Outside of the tech world, you'll often find me exploring the outdoors. I love hiking in the mountains and capturing the beauty of nature through photography. It's my way of taking a break from the screen and connecting with the world around me. When I'm not coding or out in nature, I enjoy playing the guitar. Strumming some tunes helps me relax and unwind. And speaking of unwinding, my go-to comfort food is a classic homemade pizza. Family and friends are incredibly important to me. Whether it's a cozy dinner with my family or a game night with friends, those moments create lasting memories. Nice to meet you, and I'm looking forward to sharing more about myself as we chat.